Hey everyone and welcome to Visit India. In this video, we are going to talk about the famous Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. This 182-meter high statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was built to honor him being the first Home Minister of independent India. The statue is located in Gujarat, 100 kilometers from Vadodara and 150 kilometers from Surat. It is situated on the banks of Narmada, facing the huge Sardar Sarovar Dam. So the statue is open from 8 am to 6 pm, however it is closed on all Mondays. All means of transport are stopped 6 kilometers before the statue if the statue parking is full. Whenever the SOU parking is full, you have to board the very own bus service of SOU to commute, or else you have to book a cab to pick and drop you. The nearest accommodation is Narmada and Core, as it is situated right where the bus is to be boarded. This here is the entry to the museum. The museum houses a lot of information about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and our freedom struggle. Also, the entry to the viewing gallery lifts is also through the museum. There are also a lot of interactive activities to do here. The main attraction is the viewing gallery that is located 153 meters above the ground, and it gives a fantastic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and the nearby vegetation. There are two types of tickets to this gallery. First is the standard entry ticket. The cost for this ticket is Rs 380 per person for adults and Rs 230 for children up to 15 years. However, the main drawback about this ticket is that you have to wait about an hour to enter the elevators due to the long queue. The second type of ticket is the express ticket, and this ticket costs Rs 1000 per person, but you have direct entry to the elevators with no queue. Once you reach the viewing gallery, this is the view. You have to stretch a little bit to get photos like this. Also, there is a show where the life of Patel is projected on the statue, and it is mesmerizing to look at. This projection mapping show starts at 7 pm. Also, at night, the whole surroundings light up and it's very beautiful. There are also other attractions like Cactus Garden, Flower Garden, Sardar Sarovar Dam Viewpoint and nurseries. Please book your tickets online before you visit, as only a limited number of people are allowed in the viewing gallery in a day. The price of the previously mentioned tickets includes the bus-free entry to the zoo complex, museum, dam viewpoint and the light and sound show. So this is where the video ends. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to like and subscribe to Visit India.